Good afternoon, sir. My name is Dilipan and my friend name is Chandra Prakash. I am studying in 7th G. Now we talk about water heater, how to make water heater. Water heater is a domestic water heater that uses hot water storage tank to maximum capacity and provide instant delivery of hot water. Conventional storage water heater technologies such as electric water and solar water heater can also be electric heat is clean and renewable. Do not allow potable water through the electricity. The blade must be run in electricity temperature. It helps to take bath. It is the most modern system. Thank you.